If you really want to achieve success in your life, you have to work hard. You need to live with determination. You have to have patience in your life. And in spite of having all these things, you still have to face some challenges. I call these challenges as experiences. You cannot predict the future, but you can learn from your past. Friends, welcome to Technical Janam YouTube channel. I am Janam Saraya. Today I am going to do review of Huami Amazfit Bip smartwatch. Like Xiaomi, smartwatch? Really? You can say it's smartwatch, but I would rather say it fitness band with elegant display than smartwatch, because it is in between of smartwatch and fitness band. So friends, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment it. Friends, in today's market, we have lots of expensive smartwatch like Apple and Samsung. I would like to say thanks to Huami for making this affordable alternative, Amazfit Bip, and also thanks to Xiaomi to bring this watch in the Indian market. I have been using this smartwatch for 2 months and I must say it's a perfect for my day-to-day usage. In the box, we do have watch itself and charging dock. First, let's talk about the display. It has always on reflective 1.28-inch color touch display. On the top of the display, we have 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass 3. As it is using reflective technology, you can see this display in very bright sunlight. The display is looking very nice in bright condition rather than low light. It has also backlight so you can see in the dark environment. The resolution of the screen is very low, 176 by 176 pixel. So when you turn on the backlight, you can easily see the pixels. Now let's talk about the build. As you can see, the Bip actually resembles the Apple Watch. It's polycarbonate matte plastic build with 20 mm standard width changeable watch band. It's a very lightweight watch with 32 grams total weight. The square display is surrounding by thick black bezel. And in the right, we do have one physical button. Plus, the watch has an IP68 water and dust rating. So, it can be submerged in up to 5 feet of water for 30 minutes. On the back, we have optical heart rate sensor and charging dots. In spite of having 190 mAh battery, it has record-breaking battery life up to 30 days with regular usage and up to 45 days with minimal notifications. It has geomagnetic sensor for compass, air pressure sensor, also we can say barometer for elevation, GPS for route tracking and 3-axis accelerometer. This watch comes in 4 colors: black, grey, green and orange. I do have black color. It can compatible with Android and iOS both. The Bip does all the things a good smartwatch should. We do have bunch of watch faces inside the watch, and also you can import the lots of faces with the use of Amazfit app and other third-party apps. If you're really interested in those third-party app, I have given the link in the description box. Friends, let's jump into the main menu. When we swipe the left, you can see the status, activity, weather, alarm, timer, compass and setting. And when we swipe the right, we do have shortcut of weather menu. Also you can see your mobile notification like email, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, WeChat. And you can turn on the do not disturb mode, but you can't reply or text it from your watch. Now let's see the sub-menu in details. In the status, you can see your total steps, heart rate in BPM, total kilometer that you have completed and calorie. Currently, Bip support 4 activities: outdoor running, treadmill, cycling and walking. Also you can see your activity history. Every sport tracking mode provides detailed states and GPS maps to track time, speed, pace, stride length, heart rate zone, elevation, burnt calories and more depending on the sport mode selected. In the weather, you can see the current weather information and the next 4 days forecast. In the alarm, you can turn on and off your alarm and you will be notified by vibration when alarm time comes. In this watch, there are two types of timer, stopwatch and countdown. In compass, you can simply see the exact direction with the use of inbuilt geomagnetic sensor. The last menu is the setting. In the setting, we do have bunch of sub-menu like WatchFace, set shortcut for long press, adjust brightness, find your device, about, factory reset and turn off watch. Now, I will show you how to pair the watch with your smartphone. First, you have to install Amazfit app from the Play Store. After completing installation, you need to turn on the Bluetooth of your phone. Then, watch will automatically sync with your phone. I have been already using this watch, so I have my past activity information. I have completed total 95 kilometers so far. Let me select any one of them. So you can see the total distance of this activity, total time, average speed, burned calorie, route map in the Google and many more details. You can set the alerts for the milestones like distance or have the watch alert if your pace is too fast or too slow. And by long pressing the watch crown, you can set the watch to quickly access your most used activity. You can also active your incoming call notification, so you will be notified when your phone gets call. But you can only see it or ignore it, you can't receive it. From phone, you can find your watch and vice versa. Also, you can see your past heart rates information and you can turn on the other app notification. I have turned on only WhatsApp notification. In a nutshell, I would say that at less than 6,000 rupees, the Amazfit Bip is one of the least expensive fitness trackers with both GPS and a heart rate monitor. It has fairly good companion app as well as couple of independent compatible apps for iOS and Android. If you just want something that has a lot of features, looks like an Apple Watch and costs a lot less, the Amazfit Bip could be your best friend.